Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Apologize for my voice, it's a little funky, it was fine, and then I wanted to record a video and it went bonkers on me. So hopefully it isn't too annoying. This is the card we're going to be making today. This is my January 2024 VIP Club card kit that my VIPs will be receiving in the mail. These are folks that have signed up for the Close to My Heart VIP program through me, through my website, and I appreciate them so much that I like to send them a little thank you gift every month. So this is the card. It is an easel style card, so just like that. You can see how it stands, and I did zhuzh it up a little bit inside. So here are some of the products that we will be using. I have this Playful Patterns set of 4 little background stamps. This was a part of a Cricut bundle that came with a Cricut cartridge. When Close to My Heart used to have actual cartridges, and Cricut used to have actual cartridges, ours came bundled with stamp sets and specialty items, and I don't remember which bundle this was, but I have kept this all these years because it was a part of a Cricut bundle, and I did use each of these 4 backgrounds. Then this little gem that is in the current catalog as of middle of January anyway. This is called Tailgate Greetings, and I love this little truck, so we will be using this little guy. I went into my stash and I pulled out these hearts. Now these are really unique because they not only cut out the inside heart shape, but they cut out the little thin outline of a heart as well. And I love getting these out and playing with these. I also used this little heart shape that is a part of the scalloped note card. This is a retired Close to My Heart product as well. My hearts were also from Close to My Heart. So your kit will include, let's see here, careful, you get your little truck shape, your love you, and I did put a little bit of some dimensional adhesive on there. These are those little hearts I was telling you about. Isn't that sweet? It cuts, and I'm bummed that they're no longer available, but they've been out of the catalog for many years already. But isn't that neat? So this is the inside, and so you get a little twofer. So you will receive 1 large inside outside and 2 of the smaller inside outside. I believe this is the medium size, and then the small size. So you will receive the little hearts. We'll get these over here before I lose something. I also did a little place front of card here, and that I have put right, you can see right here. Sometimes when I gift people cards that are meant to stand up, they're not sure what to do, and I thought that might be a nice way to let the recipient know that they should put the front of the card there and it'll stand up. I do have candy apple ink, Scarlet Ink, and then I have some black ink. I already have, everything will come pre-stamped for you. So on the little squares, and this is front and back of candy apple, front and back of scarlet. I used each one of those 4 different stamps to give a little texture. I did tone on tone, so I just used the candy apple on the candy apple pieces and the scarlet on the scarlet pieces. These measure 2 inches wide by 2 5/8 inch tall. Let me double triple check that. Yes. Yep, 2 5/8 inches tall by 2 inches wide. You have either a top fold or a side fold card base. That's important for this design, and of course you get an envelope. First thing we're going to do when you get this is you're going to open up your card base, and you're going to take what will be the front of your card. It doesn't matter which way you do it, but you're going to fold toward the inside. So you see I'm opening it up and I'm going to fold to the inside. And I'm lining up the edge of the card with that center fold line. And I like to move my finger to the middle and work my way out from the middle. It is a good idea to give it a good press with a bone folder, edge of a block, edge of a stamp pad, whatever you want to use. It just helps make that fold happen better. So you want to have kind of a mountain fold. You want it to be up and down. That's why you need to pull it to the inside. So we can set that over to the side. And I'm going to show you how I stamped my truck. I brought in my Misty because I was doing several. And it is easy enough to stamp this, but I find it difficult to hold a bigger block and get it lined up properly. So here's how I decided to handle this. I just have this in here to keep it from stamping all over. I took and cut one of these little trucks out of a piece of white daisy cardstock. I have it in here with my magnet, and this is a little bit of a sticky mat. This is from Waffle Flower, and it's meant to go into a Misty. It replaces the little foam pad that comes with your Misty, so it's a little bit sticky. And I have this stuck down, and I lined up my little truck. So now all I have to do is take my little truck shape and put it in here. Just like that. And then I'm going to do some inking. So I've got my black VersaFine. You can use whatever black ink you like. Yours will come in the kit, will come pre-stamped. But I just thought it might help to see how I'm stamping these. Fold the door. Give it a good press. Apologize for the wiggles. I try to be gentle, but sometimes things just touch and everything wiggles. And that's it. Then I take a pokey tool and just gently lift it up. And there you go. One cute little stamped pickup truck. And then to keep the ink from getting all over, I just stick a piece of paper in there. We also need to put our little image on our license plate, and I chose, let's see, Love You to Pieces. So I am going to put that on there. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's pull in your card base. And this is where you can decide how you want to lay yours out. I'm going to do light and dark, and then dark and light. That's what I found to be pleasing to my eye. You can do it however you want. Well, happy day. Having a little issue here. Okay. This is one of those things that makes people crazy about the ATG. Sometimes it starts to wind funny. And you just have to get it going. There we go. Got to unwind and untwist just a little bit. Got some goobers. Don't want those on there. Here we go. And I'm just lining them up there with a little tiny border. And again, just a little border. It's okay that the middle is a little bigger. It doesn't really matter because your little truck is going to cover up a good many ills. The only thing you want to make sure is that you're not going over your fold line because that will impede the card's ability to work. So we got our 4 little pieces on there. Now here's where I'm going to break out liquid glue. And this is personal choice. But I am going to do just a little bit of glue on a little part that is going to overlap the center heart. So I'm using the 2 outside pieces, just like that. Oop. And I find, well, I'm going to say, I find that liquid glue works better. And here we go, having a big mess, but it's because I'm wiggling it around with sticky fingers. Then we need to tuck this under the truck. So you're going to set it on there. Hold it in place just a little bit. And then your truck will come with adhesive on the back of it already. But I just have this, I think I picked it up, I don't know, Amazon or something like that. It's just something that I found. Price was right. This is really thin, which would be perfect for shaker cards. So maybe I will have to do a shaker card. Let's see here. I am going to put 2 little pieces on the tires, and this should be enough to keep everything from going saggy on us. Pull your backer off. It's not horrible. So then you want to make sure that you're placing your truck no higher above the fold. In fact, fold it in like this and find the top of that. You can feel it with your fingers. Center it and you get it on there. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put on this little heart that says love you, and I'm going to eyeball center it on the inside of the card so that it gives a place for your card front to bump up against. And this is where we want to put our little note. And I printed these on my label maker. Put that there. And then we have extras of these cute little hearts, and you can put these wherever you want on the inside. I am going to just do a little glue around this big heart. And I'm not stamping anything on the inside. If you have something you'd like to stamp on the inside, you can. This doesn't have to be a Valentine. It could be a thank you, thinking of you. You get well, whatever you need. And you can put these little hearts wherever you'd like. You also have room to write a message up on the top if you need to. So there you go. That is the January 2024 VIP Club card kit. Isn't that fun? Isn't that cute? I'll turn it this way. I just love it. Love that truck. Thank you so much for being my VIPs. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.